first vid of the moving vlog. We're getting some bins from Costco. And I'm trying to pack everything we need for our bathroom in here. I have some towels on the bottom. I guess I bought this and never used it, but it's a mesh hanging dryer. And we have these for organizing. And then I bubble wrapped like these things. Hopefully that doesn't clash together. I'm packing my things away, but I wanted to show you guys this box. It's so pretty. And I remember on my 16th birthday, my twin brother got me this as a gift. And I had a lotion, a perfume, and one other thing. But now it has other things like, don't know where the metal box came from, but there's a brooch in here that my brother got me. It's like vintage. I'll pull it out. Here it is. The little pearls are falling out, but I thought it was so sweet because he knew that I liked vintage old things. Okay, I'm pretty sure elementary school, my best friend Bridget gave me this and I kept it ever since. Good morning. So it's another day of packing. Justin just made me a decaf coffee and now he's making himself coffee. I have one box down to ship. This is all of our bathroom stuff. Okay, taking a little break to make some tea. Morning brew for the recently deceased. And see how it says morning? That's cute. And it's basically from Beetlejuice. It's like the book cover. We're in the garage. Some progress is being made, but we have all our Burning Man bin. Hopefully I go this year again because it was awesome. And like Christmas things. Oh, it's cute. Okay, I have to save. Okay, that's going to the garbage. Not all of the things can be good, okay? Yeah, that's garbage. But cute. All my old art. Oh my god, this was my first time drawing a giraffe or even just an animal at all, I think. And I think it came out good. So I'm going to show you guys how much clothes Justin has. He's going through a bunch of clothes right now. He's tried on 500 items.
Back there.
Goes in here. There's bags over there with clothes. He just oh my god.
Stuff to get rid of.
He just has all of his clothes from when he was like literally a teen. Here's some more clothes. Clothes. I hate this pile. This is a bunch of like bags and I just want to throw them all out. Too many. You only need like 10. I actually have a lot of clothes too. This is all the clothes I'm going to be donating.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, I know. Hold on, he needs to put the light on to shame me. I was given a lot of this clothes. I'm not a shopaholic. Okay, we're continuing in. Linen clothes.
Decided to keep.
Oh, you're kidding. Okay, yeah. Well, no, you know what? That's actually a smaller pile than my pile, which is,
I haven't finished
guys,
all this.
This is everything I'm planning to keep, but I'm not taking. There's probably 20 bags. Okay, moment of truth. First of all, the house looks like a disaster. Getting rid of all this. That's good.
Stuff I might take on the rest of the room.
It is, what time is it? It is 12:12 right now. We need to go to sleep somehow, but that won't happen for another 3 hours probably. Oh my gosh, so I found this perfume last night in a box that was from my apartment in Brooklyn that I never went through. I forgot the name of it, but I remembered the bottle and the scent. And look at that, it's not even that empty, but it was one of my favorites. And now I'm wearing it today. I haven't been filming just because I'm like actually packing. But some updates. This is empty. I wish I should do the before, but just imagine it was full of stuff. And then this was also full of a bunch of cleaning supplies. And this was full. It's starting to actually look like we're moving now, which is crazy. So yeah, this is the laundry room. And it's all empty. I also did these drawers. This was like our miscellaneous drawers. Those two small drawers had all of this stuff. I separated everything between like makeup, skincare, hair ties, and then like lighters and candles and pens. And now we're on to the pantry. Good method. I've already got 3 layers. And I will revisit when this is all cleared out. Update. Lots of boxes are packed. It's 3 a.m., so I'm gonna go to sleep. I was just packing up one more with like miscellaneous things. This is the pantry. So a lot of food is actually expired, so I threw those out. And yeah, what else did we do? I did this. This was full of like sheet tins and cupcake holders. And down here is done. All right, good night. It is 3 a.m. I am sleepy. Come on, Dexter. Dexter, come on. Let's go to bed. Okay, so we are packing up our kitchen. Also, what I like about moving and just having to go through everything is that I found these headphones that I got a few years ago for Christmas. And I thought I lost them, totally thought I left them somewhere. They were in a closet downstairs. But anywho, I've got them now after 2 years. Yes. I feel like it's Christmas, just finding all the things I lost, you know?
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, oh my God, I remember that. But yeah, let's bubble wrap the plates that we are taking. We're taking a set of 6 in case we host. Put music on, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
What kind of music you want?
Arcane Season 2 soundtrack. Obsessed. So, update. It is Thursday, the 16th. We thought we were moving last Friday, but then we didn't pack up the house enough, so we extended to tomorrow. We're extending again to Sunday, but we are getting closer to packing. Unfortunately, Justin does start classes on Monday, so that's gonna be rough on him, but it's okay. We will figure it out because we do have to finish packing. Little update. This is this is where Justin's drum set used to be. I used it for my art show, so it's not there anymore. I actually don't know where it is. Oh, it's in the garage. Whew. Foosball table. Art stuff is all packed. And then, look at this progress. So many boxes. Let me document the bottle so it's preserved in video form.
Babe, this is not the most important.
This is so sad. I can't throw them out.
We have unopened bottles like that's what we're saving. It doesn't matter.
Anyway, look at this pretty bottle. Gorgeous. Love. Look at the baby in his teepee. He's so droopy. You're not stuck. Oh.
Come.
Look at he's walking.
Oh, good
big
boy.
stretch.
Sit. Sit.
He's like, whoa. Good boy.
Oh, look at his paws.
Oh,
He's
he acts like
slipping.
he can't walk. He's slipping. Why is he slipping? His legs aren't strong enough to hold him. I like drug Dexter.
Paw. Down. Down. Dexter, down. He's yawning. Down. Oh.
He just keeps slipping.
Dexter.
I can't.
Dexter, spin.
No, he's not gonna spit. Yay. Max is taking down the luggage.
Brought to you by
Oh,
Claire
I love
de
it.
Luna.
Claire de Luna. We have Lauren here. Hi. Alicia trying on some clothes and sending me off.
Kayla's actually sending us off at this point. Okay, with some fashion.
Oh my goodness, we're doing a walkthrough of the house to make sure that we got everything. I actually have all of my fancy things hung up here. Love this dress. I just got it. Look at that. Gorgeous. But yeah, these are all my fancy things. I don't want to put them in boxes because it's not really nice to store nice things like that. So, wow, look at our garage. That's all garbage that his parents are taking care of for us. Get in the mail one last time.
Fair amount of mail.
We have mail?
Yeah.
Ah, man.
You want random number.
I don't like mail. I'm like, don't send me anything. I pan through. We have lots of dishes because we've been busy. But all of our glasses to get packed. All of our things. Wow. I'm walking out with Dexter. Bye to my house. Goodbye to our cars. We flew to LAX. We were flying first class, and so it was a really smooth process. They actually came out and got our bags for us, brought us to this small little room where they checked us in. I think we had 6 pieces, and then they weighed Dexter. That was the best check-in experience ever. We got in so fast. At the airport. Yeah. Oh my god. I might throw up in here. Dexter, hurry up. I gotta get out. Oh my god. It smelled so bad in there. I could not stop gagging. I almost threw up, so I had to come in here. I guess I'm sensitive because Justin seems fine. Dexter, go pee.
Flying with us. Thanks for choosing American, and welcome aboard.
Dexter, hey. Here we go. Oh my god, Dexter. No, I think I should go take him to pee. He has peed 5 times. So much. Come on, Dexter. Go. Go pee pees. Okay, his 6th time peeing. Wow. Crazy. Wow, his 7th time peeing. Dexter, if you pee again, it's your 8th time. His 8th time peeing. I cannot believe how much pee he had in him. Oh my god. Oh, I'm home. My sister came to pick us up. There she is. She's so sweet. Hey, I think it's all gonna fit.
From Queens.
Our luggage. Let's go inside for the first time. La la la. Our apartment. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, this is so pretty. What? Oh, you want to see it with me? Okay, he wants to see it with me. We're in the apartment. Oh my gosh. So the view's gorgeous.
Oh, it does have a microwave.
Oh, good. What a nice view. I like the kitchen. It's modern. Has a washer and dryer and like this linen cabinet. I love the bathroom. Look at this. It's so nice and big too. And the shower, it's great. And then the bedroom. It's smaller than our other one, but that's okay. All you need is a bed in here anyway, so. But I'm really excited. Also a beautiful view. And yeah, you want to see the tiniest closet ever? That's the only thing. Well, it's because we have so much clothes, but this is our closet. And it goes from here to there. So that's going to take some getting used to, huh, Jess? Wow, I was going strong. Hey, Dexter. Look at Dexter. He's laying on me. I was going strong, but my face is literally hurting. I didn't really sleep on the plane. So I feel like I think I might have been awake for 2 days now. So, unfortunately, Costco didn't allow dogs in there, and so I have to watch Dexter. Really, I'm just about to go to sleep. The snow has started, and like some chairs, trash can, and food. The car was running while we were in the store, and so her battery died, and we are trying to get the car jumped because there's a storm starting, and we don't want to be stuck in the snow. It's getting worse, so she got someone to jump start it, which is great, but she can't open the trunk, which is where the cables are, but the trunk's full of groceries, so she has to pull out all the groceries from the inside of the car. This is just a crazy day.
Y sácalo eso, ¿sí? Ok, y el mismo en el carro, ¿verdad?
Yes. This is crazy. I've never done anything like this. Car's running. Oh my god, amazing. Now she's telling him how we learned how to jump start a car. Here we go. Last spot. That's not something good to say. Where's my phone? Dexter's first time in the apartment alone. So we are running on 4 hours of sleep over the last 2 days. I'm not even joking, my face hurts. We're gonna go get food, get a bagel and some egg and cheese. Chain reaction. Dexter, stop it. Hey, what are you doing,
There you
man?
go meet and then they'll become friends.
You don't bark. They're gonna be friends.
Okay.
Cured our first bagels with egg and cheese, and Justin got bacon. Our first dinner. So first of all, this place has no ceiling lights, which is funny. Our old house didn't either, so we had like a bunch of lamps. But it'll create like a cute vibe. But here's our first dinner: bacon, egg, and cheese in front of our beautiful window. Look at that cheese. at Dexter. Usually he sleeps in the bed with us, but New York is dirty.
Well, if we had a sheet.
Aw.